nation, the food intake of everyone is not the same. The diet of small children is mostly limited one. When we grow young or we do physical work, our food intake is bigger. At the old age, it reduces. At the young age, we work hard, play a lot, so it makes us hungry. We can digest the food we had. But at the old age, we cannot digest the food easily, so normally our diet reduces. Some kind of work requires a lot of vigorous movements. This physical labor makes us very hungry. Some kind of work does not require hard physical effort to do it. So naturally people who do such work do not feel as hungry as those who do physical labor. Chores like carrying water, washing clothes, sweeping, mopping the floor, etc. involve physical work, and studying, reading, writing are sedentary work. Different people include different items of food in their diet. Like where rice grows in plenty, rice becomes major part of the diet. In regions where jawar or bajra are a major crop, people include more of bhakri in their meals. In seashore area, people eat fish in their diet as it is available plenty in the sea. We get different vegetables and fruits depending on the season. Accordingly, we include them in our diet. We make sweets when we celebrate a festival and in ceremony also. We should take care of our food. We should eat the dishes prepared at home if we want to be healthy. Sprouted pulses and leafy vegetables should be a part of our diet. Occasionally include yogurt and buttermilk. The attractive products we see in advertisements are not good for health. Cold drinks are also not good for health.